Infrared cameras are becoming increasingly common in the electrical industry for various applications. These include thermal imaging of electrical equipment to identify hotspots and potential electrical faults, detecting moisture and leaks in walls, ceilings, and roofs, and verifying proper installation of thermal insulation, also identifying pest infestations. The demand for infrared camera services is growing due to several factors, including increasing awareness of the benefits of thermal imaging for preventive maintenance, demand for energy efficiency and building diagnostics, and a rise in electrical fires and the need for fire safety inspections. The fair rate for infrared camera services can vary depending on factors such as location, size and complexity of the project, type of equipment used, and the experience and qualifications of the technician. As a general guideline, the following rates can be considered. For inspection only, the price is $150 to $300 per inspection. For inspection and report, the price is $250 to $500 per inspection. For inspection, report, and consultation, the price is $350 to $750 per inspection. To successfully market infrared camera services, the following strategies should be considered. Firstly, showcase your expertise and experience in thermal imaging. Secondly, highlight the benefits of using infrared cameras for preventive maintenance and safety. Thirdly, target potential clients in industries such as commercial buildings, industrial facilities, and homeowners. Fourthly, use online platforms such as Google Business Profile to promote your services. And fifthly, partner with other contractors or inspectors to offer complementary services. The cost of infrared cameras can vary significantly depending on the type of camera and its features. Entry-level infrared cameras can cost around $2,000 to $5,000, while professional-grade cameras can cost over $10,000. Infrared cameras offer a valuable tool for electrical contractors to enhance their service offerings and address the growing demand for preventive maintenance and safety inspections. By understanding the market demand, considering fair rates, and implementing effective marketing strategies, infrared camera services can successfully be incorporated into the business. The applications of infrared cameras extend beyond just finding hotspots. They can be used to detect loose connections, overloaded circuits, and failing components, all of which can lead to significant energy losses or even fires. By identifying these issues early, electrical contractors can help their clients save money on energy bills, reduce the risk of equipment failure, and improve overall safety. Energy audits are another area where infrared cameras can be particularly useful. By scanning a building's walls, ceilings, and floors, a technician can identify areas where heat is escaping, allowing for targeted improvements to insulation and weather stripping. This can lead to substantial reductions in energy consumption and lower utility bills for homeowners and businesses alike. In addition to detecting heat loss, infrared cameras can also be used to identify moisture intrusion, which can lead to mold growth and structural damage. By detecting these problems early, contractors can help their clients avoid costly repairs and maintain a healthy indoor environment. When marketing infrared camera services, it is important to emphasize the value that these services provide. Potential clients need to understand that investing in infrared inspections can save them money in the long run by preventing costly repairs, reducing energy bills, and improving safety. One effective marketing strategy is to offer a free consultation to potential clients. This allows the contractor to explain the benefits of infrared inspections in detail and to answer any questions that the client may have. It also gives the contractor an opportunity to assess the client's needs and to recommend the appropriate services. Another effective marketing strategy is to partner with other contractors or inspectors. This can allow you to reach a wider audience and to offer complementary services that add value for your clients. For example, you could partner with a home inspector to offer infrared inspections as part of a comprehensive home inspection package. When setting rates for infrared camera services, it is important to consider your costs, including the cost of the camera, the cost of training, and the cost of insurance. You also need to consider the value that your services provide to your clients. The rate should be high enough to cover your costs and to provide a reasonable profit, but they should also be competitive with other contractors in your area. Remember that experience and qualifications play a significant role in the perceived value of your services. Investing in proper training and certifications can justify higher rates. There are several organizations that offer training and certification in infrared thermography. These certifications demonstrate to your clients that you have the knowledge and skills necessary to perform accurate and reliable infrared inspections. Before investing in an infrared camera, it is important to research the different models that are available and to choose a camera that meets your specific needs. Consider the resolution of the camera, the temperature range, and the features that are important to you, such as the ability to record video or to generate reports. It's also important to consider the software that comes with the camera. The software should allow you to analyze the thermal images and to generate reports that are easy for your clients to understand. Some software packages also include features such as automatic fault detection and report generation. When performing infrared inspections, it is important to follow proper procedures to ensure accurate and reliable results. This includes properly calibrating the camera, taking measurements at the correct angles and distances, and accounting for environmental factors such as ambient temperature and humidity. It is also important to document your findings thoroughly, including taking photographs and videos of any anomalies that you identify. Your report should be clear, concise, and easy for your clients to understand. They should include a summary of your findings as well as recommendations for corrective action. Safety is also paramount when performing infrared inspections. Be aware of potential hazards such as electrical shock and falls. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment and follow safe work practices. One area where infrared cameras are becoming increasingly important is in the inspection of solar panels. Infrared cameras can be used to identify defective solar cells, which can reduce the efficiency of the panel and lead to premature failure. By identifying these problems early, contractors can help their clients maintain the performance of their solar panels and maximize their investment. Another emerging application for infrared cameras is in the inspection of electric vehicle charging stations. Infrared cameras can be used to identify overheating components, which can pose a fire hazard. By detecting these problems early, contractors can help their clients ensure the safety of their charging stations. In addition to the applications mentioned above, infrared cameras can also be used for a variety of other purposes, such as detecting air leaks in buildings, identifying moisture intrusion in roofs, and inspecting HVAC systems. The possibilities are endless. As the technology continues to improve and the cost of infrared cameras continues to decrease, it is likely that they will become even more widely used in the electrical industry. By investing in an infrared camera and learning how to use it properly, electrical contractors can gain a competitive advantage and offer their clients a valuable service. When presenting your findings to clients, remember to explain the technical aspects in a way they can understand. Avoid using jargon and focus on the implications of the findings. For instance, instead of saying there's a thermal anomaly, explain that this area is significantly hotter than it should be, indicating a potential problem that could lead to failure or increased energy consumption. Providing visual aids such as annotated thermal images can also help clients grasp the severity of the issues. Always prioritize providing solutions. After identifying a problem, offer concrete recommendations for fixing it. This demonstrates your expertise and builds trust with your client. For example, if you find a loose connection in an electrical panel, recommend tightening the connection and re-inspecting it with the infrared camera to ensure the problem is resolved. Continuously educate yourself on the latest infrared technology and applications. Attend industry conferences, read trade publications, and take online courses to stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices. This will not only improve your skills but also enhance your credibility with clients. Remember that building a successful infrared camera service takes time and effort. It requires a combination of technical expertise, marketing skills, and a commitment to providing excellent customer service. By following the tips outlined above, you can position yourself for success in this growing field. The ability to generate comprehensive reports is crucial. Clients need a clear understanding of the findings, the severity of the issues, and the recommended actions. A well-structured report should include the following elements: a summary of the inspection, highlighting the key findings, thermal images with annotations, clearly indicating the location and nature of the problems, detailed descriptions of each anomaly, including temperature measurements and potential causes, recommendations for corrective action, prioritized based on the severity of the issues, and supporting documentation, such as equipment specifications and relevant standards. Consider using software that automates report generation to save time and ensure consistency. Such software often includes features like customizable templates, automatic image annotation, and the ability to export reports in various formats. Always tailor the report to the specific needs of the client. Some clients may require more technical detail than others. Be prepared to adjust the level of detail accordingly. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with other contractors and inspectors. Networking can lead to valuable partnerships, referrals, and business opportunities. Consider joining organizations like the International Electrical Testing Association or the American Society for Non-Destructive Testing, which offer training, certification, and networking opportunities for professionals in the electrical testing and inspection fields. Building relationships with other professionals in the industry can also help you stay informed about the latest trends and best practices. Attend local chapter meetings, participate in online forums, and reach out to experts in the field to learn from their experience. Another important aspect of marketing your infrared camera services is to showcase your success stories. Share case studies and testimonials from satisfied clients to demonstrate the value of your services. Highlight the specific benefits that your clients have experienced, such as reduced energy costs, improved safety, or prevention of equipment failure. Use your website, social media channels, and marketing materials to share these success stories. Before and after photos of thermal images can be particularly compelling. Be sure to obtain permission from your clients before sharing their information. Consider creating a portfolio of your infrared inspection projects. This portfolio can include a selection of thermal images, reports, and case studies that showcase your expertise and the value of your services. Use your portfolio to demonstrate your skills to potential clients. When quoting for infrared inspection projects, be transparent about your pricing. Explain your fees clearly and provide a detailed breakdown of the services included. Be prepared to justify your pricing based on the value that you provide. Consider offering different service packages to meet the varying needs of your clients. For example, you could offer a basic inspection package, a comprehensive inspection package, and a custom inspection package tailored to the specific requirements of the client. When selecting an infrared camera, consider the following factors: resolution. The higher the resolution, the more detailed the thermal images will be. Temperature range. The camera should be able to measure temperatures in the range that you will be inspecting. Thermal sensitivity. The lower the thermal sensitivity, the more subtle temperature differences the camera can detect. Frame rate. The higher the frame rate, the smoother the thermal video will be. Lens options. Different lenses are available for different applications, such as wide-angle lenses for inspecting large areas and telephoto lenses for inspecting distant objects. In software, the software should be user-friendly and provide the features that you need to analyze the thermal images and generate reports. Consider purchasing a camera from a reputable manufacturer that offers good customer support and training. Don't be afraid to invest in a high-quality camera. A good camera will last for many years and provide you with accurate and reliable results. Regular maintenance is essential to keep your infrared camera in good working order. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for cleaning and calibrating the camera. Store the camera in a safe and dry place when not in use. Consider purchasing a service agreement from the manufacturer to cover repairs and maintenance. Calibration is particularly important for ensuring the accuracy of your temperature measurements. Calibrate your camera regularly using a calibrated blackbody source. Document your calibration procedures and keep records of your calibration results. When performing infrared inspections, be aware of the limitations of the technology. Infrared cameras can only detect surface temperatures. They cannot see through walls or other opaque objects. Environmental factors such as ambient temperature, humidity, and sunlight can affect the accuracy of your temperature measurements. It is important to account for these factors when interpreting your results. Always use your professional judgment when interpreting thermal images. Don't rely solely on the camera to make decisions. Consider all of the available evidence, including your visual observations and your knowledge of the equipment or system that you are inspecting. Infrared thermography is a powerful tool, but it is not a substitute for proper training and experience. Invest in yourself by taking courses, attending workshops, and seeking mentorship from experienced thermographers. The more you learn, the better you will be able to use infrared cameras to help your clients. Remember that safety is always the top priority. When performing infrared inspections, be aware of potential hazards and take appropriate precautions. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses, gloves, and hearing protection. Follow all applicable safety regulations. Be particularly careful when working around electrical equipment. Never touch any exposed electrical conductors. If you are not qualified to work on electrical equipment, call a qualified electrician. By following these tips, you can build a successful infrared camera service that provides valuable benefits to your clients and helps you grow your business.